Hi viewers, welcome back. You might be tired of hearing many advices about having vitamin C, because of its crucial role in our immune system. Ever wondered what is vitamin C? And how does that make any changes to our immunity, or what foods can be taken to avoid taking vitamin C supplements? Welcome to Fitnify, where we inspire you to live a healthy lifestyle. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin. Vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid, is well known for being a potent antioxidant. The human body cannot produce or store vitamin C, therefore, it's essential to consume it regularly in sufficient amounts. It is needed for normal growth and development. Water-soluble vitamins dissolve in water. Leftover amounts of the vitamin leave the body through the urine. Vitamin C is an essential nutrient involved in the repair of tissue and the enzymatic production of certain neurotransmitters. It helps to protect cells and keep them healthy. Vitamin C helps your body use the iron you get from food. Your body also uses it to make collagen, a springy type of connective tissue that makes up parts of your body and helps heal wounds. It helps in maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, bones and cartilage. Vitamin C's antioxidant activity may help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of developing various conditions, including some cancers. Many people believe that vitamin C can cure a common cold, but research has not confirmed this. But in some studies it has been reported to reduce the length and severity of the symptoms. Adults aged 19 to 64 need 75 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C a day. Additional vitamin C is necessary during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Taking large amounts, more than 1,000 milligrams per day, of vitamin C can cause stomach pain, diarrhea, flatulence. You should be able to get all the vitamin C you need from your daily diet. Vitamin C occurs naturally in some foods, especially fruits and vegetables. Vitamin C supplements are also available. It's true that we all love vitamin C supplements. Do you also love the sweet-sour taste of vitamin C supplements? Comment below. But, why do we have to take supplements when we have it naturally in many foods? Here are 9 foods that are rich in vitamin C. 1. Citrus fruits. Yes, we know this does not need much of explanation, as oranges and lemons always comes to our mind first when we hear of vitamin C. This class of fruits includes lemons, limes, oranges and grapefruit, as well as many more hybrids and varieties. Citrus fruits are an excellent source of vitamin C. In fact, just one medium orange has all the vitamin C you need in a day. And guess what? Orange has the highest vitamin C content among all the citrus fruits, which is 58.30 milligrams to 100 grams. 2. Broccoli. A 1/2 cup of cooked broccoli has about 50 milligrams of vitamin C. It also has loads of fiber and plenty of other antioxidants that, among other things, seem to keep inflammation down. But what is the best way to cook it so that you don't lose any of its vitamins? Steam broccoli for 5 minutes or less. It may help the veggie keep more of the vitamin C inside compared to other methods like boiling. 3. Kiwi. These fuzzy fruits pack a punch, with around 70 milligrams of vitamin C per medium kiwi. Kiwi contains abundant amounts of vitamin C, which stimulates the body's immune response. In fact, the kiwi fruit contains roughly 230% of the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. This bold fruit provides a burst of immune-boosting nutrients in every bite. 4. Strawberries. A cup of these bite-sized treats has about 80 to 90 milligrams of vitamin C. It is said to have more vitamin C than oranges. 5. Potatoes. No. Doesn't mean you can have more French fries now with that extra spice. It's the medium-baked potato that has about 20 milligrams of vitamin C. Cooking too much or oil frying reduces the vitamin C content in it. Potatoes are an excellent source of potassium and fiber. Instead of frying them in oil, try them oven roasted in olive oil. 6. Green and red pepper. The vitamin C content of sweet or bell peppers increases as they mature. Among all the bell peppers, red peppers are high in vitamin C. So try to slice one into strips to scoop up a dip, or dice it into a salad or an omelet. 7. Black currants. Black currants are small, round, sour-tasting, deep purple blackberries which typically need some sort of sweetness added to make them more palatable. Black currants carry 4 times the amount of vitamin C as oranges, and double the amount of antioxidants as blueberries. You can try substituting berries for black currants in your yogurt or salad. It is also available as dried fruit. 8. Pineapple. Pineapple is also high in vitamin C, providing 131% of daily recommendation. But many people are likely to have allergy to pineapple. If so, they should avoid eating pineapple and go for other mentioned fruits or vegetable to have the adequate amount of vitamin C. 9. Papaya. One large papaya is packed with 235 milligrams of vitamin C. That's 2 to 3 times more than your recommended daily allowance and is also an excellent source of vitamin A, potassium, and calcium. Cooking vitamin C-rich foods or storing them for a long period of time can reduce the vitamin C content. Because vitamin C is water-soluble, it degrades with heat and some of what's left over after they're heated dissolves into the cooking water. So be sure to cook your fruits and veggies as little as possible, and keep that cooking water to use in your next recipe. Microwaving and steaming vitamin C-rich foods may reduce cooking losses. The best food sources of vitamin C are uncooked or raw fruits and vegetable. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more health and fitness information videos. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.